We have a doll supermarket, so let's unbox her. This is adorable and I love the little handle. We have a reusable shopping bag which is made out of plastic. This is cool. Some extra accessories. And the main unit with fruit and veg. These dolls are quite good quality for the money. Yes, they are a bit bald, but apart from that, the clothing quality is really good and the body feels really good quality. But here it is, all set up and ready to go.